Hey you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to support Real World PDR training. Hey, what's going on? This is Jim with RealWorldPDR.com. Today we're going to take a look at my top 5 favorite tools of 2020. Let's jump right in at number 5. So coming in at number 5, this one is from Metal Medic, and that is this Mega Power glue. This is the Jiu-Jitsu glue. Cool thing about this glue is that it is solvent free, meaning that you do not need to use alcohol to get your glue off a panel. That's pretty badass. Okay, Jim, say whatever you want, but let's see it. So take a look at this. You apply this glue just like any other glue, let it dry, grab your Lift Right mini lifter, pull it up, and it sticks wonderfully. I used to almost exclusively use tab weld, and this has replaced it because watch, that's the magic. Oh, watch again. No alcohol, peels right off. Also, if you reverse a clip, it goes right back on. Cool. Number 4. Number 4 also comes from Metal Medic, and that is this Rail Blaster blending hammer. Now, I like this thing so much that it's actually replaced my Carbon Tech Rock Hill hammer most of the time. It fits in your hand real well, the balance is awesome. Now everybody knows that I'm a little bit picky about what blending hammer I use. This thing is awesome, the balance is phenomenal, every bit as good as what we used to make at the factory, and it's actually replaced my Carbon Tech Rock Hill. Moving right along to number 3. Number 3 is going to be the Door Lords and the Gorilla Grip, both from Anson. Now, I know technically that's 2 tools, but they work so well together, I'm calling them one. These Door Lords from Anson are great. They come in a sharp tip and a blade style tip, and when you combine them with the Gorilla Grip, you get all kinds of control, all kinds of leverage. The geometry of these have a nice long kick, and that gives you extra leverage when you're inside the panel. Badass door tools. I'd say if you're on the fence about them, buy them. Also, I recommend you buy number 2. Now, no surprise, coming in at number 2 is going to be a stand liner tool. Y'all know I love stand liner tools because I use them all the time. If I had to pick just one for you, it's going to be the stand liner large fender tool. This thing is awesome. So it's got this large flat surface. Now, even in the last YouTube video, you can see how I use this tool using those different stand liner techniques to burn through fender repairs. I don't know what year this was actually released, but it was new to me in 2020, so that's why I'm calling it number 2 on my list of best tools of 2020. Let's go see what number 1 looks like. That's right, we've made it to number 1. Now the moment you've been waiting for. Taking the top spot for me is going to be these Excalibur Picks. They look funny, they work awesome. They come in all kinds of single bend and double bend configurations of different diameters. Now what's really cool about this is whenever you're working, your arm, your wrist stays in a neutral position. It's the same if you're working flat like this or if you're working on the side. The way that I picked my list is what changed my life doing PDR the most this year, and these definitely deserve the top spot. Congratulations to Excalibur for producing the 2020 Tool of the Year. Fun fact, they also won 2018 Tool of the Year. Suffice it to say, Excalibur puts out some really badass tools. Check out links for these products in the description below. Also, make sure if you haven't yet, you like this video and subscribe to this channel. That means the world to me. If you are ready to start your PDR learning journey, make sure you check out RealWorldPDR.com. There, we do a hell of a lot more than just show off tools. I will show you how to use these tools to their full potential. Also, as always, shoot your in-person training inquiries to jim@jmdentrepair.com if you want to come learn how to do PDR with me. Between the content at RealWorldPDR.com and in-person training, I've created a system that is helping PDR techs get better, faster than ever. That is hard to say. Try that a few times fast. Thank you so much for your support now and in the future, and I will see you on the next one.